Hello guys! In this video, we are going to talk about pronouns. In Tagalog, ito ay mga panghalip. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the notification bell and follow para updated ka for my next video. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition and make sentences smoother. In Tagalog, ito ay panghalip. Ito yung mga salitang pumapalit sa pangalan upang hindi pa ulit-ulit at mas maayos ang pangungusap. May mga iba't ibang uri ang pronouns. First, we have subject pronouns. In Tagalog, ito ay panghalip panao o panauhan. It is used as the subject of the sentence. Example, he is my friend. He, siya ay lalaki at a singular ang subject. Another example, they are playing outside. So they, marami. So they ang ginagamit. Next pronoun. Ito ay tinatawag na object pronouns. Ito ay tumutukoy sa tumatanggap ng kilos. It is used as the object of a verb or preposition. Halimbawa, she gave me a gift. So she is our subject pronoun and me is our object pronoun. Next example, I love it. Gusto ko ito. I is our subject pronoun and it is our object pronoun. Another pronoun, ito ay tinatawag na possessive pronoun. In Tagalog, ito ay panghalip pananong o pag-aari. It shows ownership or possession. Halimbawa, this book is mine. So mine is our possessive pronoun. That house is theirs. So theirs is possessive pronoun. Let's talk another pronoun. Ito ay tinatawag na reflexive pronouns. Panghalip pamatlig. It is used when the subject and object are the same. For example, I made this by myself. The word myself is our reflexive pronoun. Another example, she hurt herself. The word herself is our reflexive pronoun. Another pronoun, ito ay tinatawag na demonstrative pronouns, panghalip pamatlig. It is used to point the specific things. For example, this is my phone. The word this is a demonstrative pronoun. Another example, those are beautiful flowers. The word those is our demonstrative pronoun. Another pronoun, ito ay tinatawag na interrogative pronouns, panghalip pananong. It is used to ask questions. For example, who is your teacher? The word who is our interrogative pronoun. Next example, what is your favorite food? The word what is our interrogative pronoun. And that's a quick lesson on pronouns. They make our sentences clear and efficient. Keep practicing and see you next time. That's all for this video, and for my next video, we're gonna talk about another topic. Keep on watching and never stop learning.